A lot of you guys asked me to make more videos on interview questions, so here I am with another one where we will learn with the help of a very widely used interview technique how to answer behavioral interview questions. Answering behavioral questions can be tricky as they tend to put you on the spot, reflect a lot on your personality and character, and if you do not prepare for such questions well in advance, you might end up rambling a lot of vague stuff which would obviously not get the right message to the interviewer. So let's get into the video where we find a solution to this. If we have not met before, this is Pankuri Jain and I have created this channel to help you with your day-to-day struggles at workplace and with your career so that you are ready to walk that corporate talk with me. Behavioral questions can be best answered by telling a compelling story. Such questions are asked to evaluate how did you deal with difficult situations in the past, which would really reflect on how would you deal with such situations in the future. Telling a compelling story would make you more memorable and more likable. Think of situations that portray your greatest accomplishments and go into detail explaining some of the biggest problems that you've solved. This can be a difficult situation that you've handled in the past, which showcases your problem-solving skills. And you can paint a very impressive picture by using a very popular interview technique known as the STAR technique. Begin with S and T of the STAR approach. S stands for the situation and T stands for the task. Describe the challenges and the situations that you had to deal with and make sure that you inform them about the complicated tasks that you were assigned with. Do not get too much into the details and be specific about your examples. The next step is to go to the A of the STAR approach, which stands for action. Here you tell the interviewer about the actions, steps or measures you took to combat or tackle the situation. Avoid using words like we and are so that the interviewer knows what you did was solely your effort and not teamwork. Lastly, you get to the R of the STAR, which stands for results. Here you want to talk about the results that you achieved by solving that peculiar problem and handling that difficult situation. Do not forget to quantify your results and ensure that you end it on a very positive note by mentioning something that you learned from the entire situation. Let's see how can we do all this with the help of an example. In my previous company, I was tasked to staff 50 people with a very niche skill set for an important project where we wanted to add a client to our portfolio. This was a humongous task because we had a very strict timeline of onboarding everyone within 2 months of time frame. Given the availability of the set talent pool, I did not believe we could make it, but I decided to strategize and got on it right away. We ran extensive hiring campaigns on every possible job platform, introduced attractive referral programs, conducted several walk-in job drives, and when we were done, I was thrilled with the results. Not only did we onboard all the candidates within the set timeline, we also got another very attractive deal from the same client as they were quite impressed with the kind of talent we had to offer. I was in fact awarded with the Star Performer Award at our quarterly rewards and recognition event. It was indeed a very enriching experience and I learned that sometimes you just need to put your best foot forward and the rest will follow. Now that was an exciting story which transitioned from being a very difficult challenge to a story of triumph. And that's what we exactly needed to do. We needed to tell them that if you hire me, you'll get an employee who solves problems like a pro and is a high-performing, valuable employee. I'll of course make more videos on interview questions like tell me about yourself or why should we hire you, but the STAR technique works for most of the behavioral questions. I made another such video on how to answer the question, what are your biggest strengths and weaknesses? I'm linking it up here. Do not forget to check it out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with the people who you think would benefit from it. Comment down below your questions or queries and suggestions and do subscribe to the channel for your weekly dose of career tips and tricks. Desperately waiting for the time when I do not end my videos by saying stay home, stay safe. But until then, let's stay home, let's stay safe, let's do our bit and I'll see you in the next one.